Hello my lovely little pandas, welcome back to my YouTube and IGTV for another review. Woo-hoo. So this time I have got a what we would sort of call high street brand, maybe in a sense. Anyway, so it's from a place called Superdrug, which is obviously well known in the UK. I'm not too sure about Europe and abroad. And what I wanted to do was decide to try out some of their hold-ups. They sell a very small range of hosiery there, and I randomly came across it online. I was like, actually, let's give it a go and see what it's like. So the pair I have today is the 40 Denier satin top, black opaque satin top hold-ups. It's a matte pair, a matte finish pair, and it's also one size, and there's only one pair in here. On the back, it obviously gives you, so the size guide, it fits Euro shoe 35 to 42, which is a UK shoe 3 to 8, and it fits the height up to 178 centimeters or 5'10". So it's really good in that sense. It also gives instructions on how to put on hosiery and the correct way, which is here, which I thought was actually a really good idea, especially for people who don't wear hosiery that often. Also obviously gives you washing instructions. It's 92% nylon, 8% elastane, obviously, which excludes the band. Anyway, enough about all that. I'll put that in the description and let's get in. So just opening up the box, so you can see there is no plastic packaging or anything. They literally come like so. So I'm actually quite excited for these, to be fair. It'd be really cool to check out. So as you can tell, they look completely opaque. However, I've got a feeling these might be more on the semi-opaque side, but we'll have a look. I've got a feeling the toe bit might be quite big, just because looking at it there, it seems quite wide, and obviously there's a lot of stretch. So I've got a feeling I will probably get some bagginess at the end. Really good stretch otherwise, as you can tell, like there's a lot of room in there. So it depends where you want to sit these, whether you want to sit these sort of low, medium or high. And obviously it depends on your length as well. These also have double silicone bands to hold them in place, and as you can tell, it's actually just a plain satin top, which I quite like. It makes it quite different rather than the normal floral lace that you get. Yeah, it's just something nice, plain, simple, that you can literally dress up or down, and I really like, actually. So let's get these on and see what they're like. I'll get your nose there, sorry. So yes, obviously I've just paired it with something really simple like a jumper dress. Just to let you know, there won't be no exposure here. If you do see anything, I'm literally wearing shorts on top of everything, like just short shorts on top of everything. So if you think you've seen something, you haven't really. Just wanted to clarify, because I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh, I saw something. So right, so actually, do you know what? I could be telling a lie. These seem very open. Oh my god, I've still got loads of room. Okay, I can sit these very high on the legs now. I'm actually very impressed. I literally thought they would be sort of semi-opaque rather than a full opaque pair. Wow, okay. Okay, pretty impressed so far. So next leg. So make sure I get the seam which is at the back of the leg. But because sometimes people put it at the front, at the side, and it doesn't look that great. Okay, and you know what? I was actually wrong about the toe part in a sense as well. This has put me to shame, you know. There's me already judging it, and it's actually really good. Okay, so I don't want to put them too high, because obviously I want to be able to show you guys the tops and stuff, so I'm going to sit them just here. But what I do like is the fact that these are pretty much opaque, like there's no semi-ness about them. I do feel, although because I obviously am quite short, I do feel if you are say 5'10" or 11 trying these on, these may become semi-opaque if you sit them lower on your leg. No, so if you sit them higher on your leg. If you sit them lower, you might still get more of the opaqueness rather than the semi-opaqueness, if that makes sense. Anyway, so let me show you what I meant about the toe part. So, hold on. So the toe part, as you can see, it actually fits very, very well. I thought there would be a lot of gapping here, but there's actually not. It fits very, very well around the feet, so I'm very happy. There's actually not much wrinkling happening here, which I'm very happy about as well. I thought there would be. Really lovely soft silky finish on the legs. Like, let me see if I can get flash on them and show you. Oh, see, they actually look a lot lighter now with the flash on, but yeah, very lovely soft silky finish with a tad bit of shine to them, that I truly do like. And now let me try and do this with the top so I'm not showing too much. But obviously the tops, I've set them quite high, but they fit really, really well on the thighs. I don't really squeeze them or, you know, hug them too tight or anything, so I'm very happy about that. They sit very flush too. One thing I did actually notice, and I'm hoping you will all be able to see it, I'm trying to get the light on it as well, is there are a couple of places where the quality lacks a little bit. I've got a couple of lines going across. I thought there were snags at first, but they're actually not. I feel like if I stretch this, I'm hoping you guys will be able to see that line just there. It's a little bit annoying. It did annoy me a little bit when I did see it, but I wanted to wait to show you. I'm not really too sure what that is about, but it's something, obviously probably something to do with quality and stuff. But otherwise, you know what, these are a very nice pair. Like, they're actually really cheap to get hold of as well. So by the way, if anybody does want a pair, do let me know. I can actually buy some for you and send it out like worldwide, so it's fine, because I'm sure, I think they only ship to the UK and maybe Europe, but I'm not too sure about like USA and Mexico or all those other places. But otherwise, yeah, as you can tell, they're very, very nice. A very nice sort of semi-luxury pair. They, like I said, they feel really, really soft and smooth on the legs. And even on the inside as well, like, there is no irritation at all. They fit really, really well around the feet. There's no ombre-ness, and when I say ombre-ness, I mean a darker foot going towards, you know, and it becomes lighter on the legs and stuff. It is a complete block opaque we are working with here, so I really do like this. I feel these are actually a really, really nice pair. And the fact that they've got a really nice satin top band instead of a floral one, which, you know, makes it different. But yeah, I actually think this is a good investment, to be honest. I'm actually glad I got my hands on a pair, and it kind of makes me want to try the rest of their brand, because obviously they've got a mixture of tights. I think they've got other hold-ups. I'm not too sure if they do stockings, but I probably will try and see if they do a pair. But otherwise, I would happily recommend this. I feel like they are a really great pair to have. And like I mentioned before, if you do want me to get hold of a pair for you, just let me know and I will do my best. Alright guys, so I will love you and leave you here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon.